Want to take your video quality to the next level with HDR on your iPhone? HDR High Dynamic Range captures more details in highlights and shadows, giving your videos a cinematic feel. This guide will walk you through enabling HDR video recording on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the process. Step 1. Enable HDR video in Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Camera. Tap Record Video under the Camera menu. Locate the HDR video option and toggle it on. Step 2. Adjust recording resolution and frame rates. While in the Record Video menu, choose a high resolution such as 4K at 60 fps for optimal HDR performance. Exit out of Settings. Step 3. Test HDR video recording. Open the Camera app. Switch to video mode. Start recording and your iPhone will now capture videos in HDR. By following these steps, you can enable HDR video recording on your iPhone and enjoy stunning, high-quality videos. If you need further assistance or have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.